Are you tired of battling a stiff lower back that hampers your every move? Say goodbye to discomfort and hello to quick relief. In just 30 seconds, unlock a world of agility with our simple, effective method. Reclaim your freedom and revitalize your day with this effortless solution. Number 1. Ball and bridge exercise. The ball and bridge is a targeted exercise designed to relieve lower back pain by utilizing a soft, rounded object such as a tennis ball to perform self-massage. By placing the ball beneath specific muscle spots, not the spine itself, and applying body weight, muscle knots and spasms are effectively loosened. By applying body weight to the ball, the user can effectively target specific areas without causing discomfort. This technique aids in loosening up the lower back, providing immediate relief from muscle tension and promoting relaxation. This technique, when combined with the pelvic tilt motion, helps open up the hips and lower back, alleviating stiffness and promoting flexibility. By leveraging the body's natural weight and movement, the ball and bridge aids in enhancing blood circulation, reducing muscle tension, and promoting relaxation in the lower back region. Regular practice of this exercise can result in improved mobility, reduced pain, and an overall increase in comfort and well-being when seeking to alleviate lower back discomfort. The ball and bridge exercise is also an effective technique for strengthening muscles and providing long-term relief from lower back pain. By lying on the back with knees bent and feet flat, individuals engage their core muscles to support the spine and lift their hips upward. This movement targets the core, lower back, and gluteal muscles, promoting increased strength and stability in the back region. The exercise aids in improving muscle endurance and overall spinal support, leading to a reduction in lower back pain over time. Regular practice of the ball and bridge exercise can contribute to enhanced muscle strength, improved posture, and a reduced risk of future lower back discomfort, enabling individuals to enjoy a more active and pain-free lifestyle. Number 2. Pelvic rocker technique. The pelvic rocker is a simple yet effective exercise for alleviating lower back pain by promoting flexibility and relaxation. By lying on your back with knees bent and feet flat, you can use your hands to tilt your pelvis forward and backward. This gentle rocking motion helps to engage and release various muscles in the hips and lower back, thereby reducing stiffness and enhancing mobility. By engaging the core muscles and initiating controlled movements, this exercise helps in relieving stiffness and increasing flexibility. It also encourages blood flow to the affected areas, promoting relaxation and reducing discomfort. The controlled movement encourages increased blood flow, which can alleviate muscle tension and promote a sense of relief. By incorporating the pelvic rocker into a regular exercise routine, you experience improved range of motion, reduced discomfort, and enhanced overall flexibility in the lower back area. Regular practice of this exercise can contribute to better posture and a more comfortable, pain-free daily life. Number 3. Ballerina stretch. The ballerina stretch is a beneficial exercise for individuals aiming to alleviate lower back pain and improve flexibility. By standing with one leg crossed over the other and bending at the waist, the stretch targets the deep muscles of the lower back, promoting increased flexibility and alleviating tension. This movement encourages a deep stretch from the bottom of the ribs to the hips, fostering a release of built-up tension in the lower back region. By holding the stretch for a brief period and focusing on controlled breathing, you experience improved muscle relaxation and enhanced range of motion. Regular practice of the ballerina stretch can contribute to a reduction in lower back discomfort, improved posture, and an overall sense of relaxation and well-being. Number 4. 90 stretch. The 90 stretch is a targeted exercise that offers relief for lower back pain while also targeting the muscles in the hips. By positioning one leg straight in front and the other leg bent at a 90-degree angle to the side, you activate various muscles by pressing the hip down into the floor. This motion engages the muscles across the hips and lower back, promoting increased flexibility and reduced stiffness. The exercise encourages a deep stretch, particularly in the lower back and hips, aiding in the release of tension and enhancing overall mobility. By incorporating the 90 stretch into a regular routine, you experience improved muscle strength, reduced discomfort, and enhanced flexibility in both the lower back and hip regions, leading to better posture and increased comfort. Number 5. Windshield wipers exercise. Windshield wipers is an effective exercise for individuals aiming to alleviate lower back pain and increase flexibility. By lying on the back with knees bent and feet flat, the movement involves gently rotating the legs from side to side, mimicking the motion of windshield wipers. This exercise targets the muscles in the hips and lower back, promoting improved flexibility and range of motion. The controlled side-to-side movement aids in releasing tension and tightness in the lower back, providing a gentle stretch and promoting relaxation. Regular practice of windshield wipers can contribute to enhanced muscle mobility, reduced stiffness, and improved overall comfort in the lower back area. Incorporating this exercise into a daily routine can lead to increased flexibility, reduced discomfort, and a greater sense of well-being. Number 6. Corkscrew movement. The corkscrew movement is a beneficial exercise for individuals seeking to alleviate lower back pain and improve flexibility. By lying on the back with one leg straight and the other leg bent at a 90-degree angle, individuals use their hand to gently pull the bent knee across the body, creating a twisting motion in the lower back. This movement targets the deep muscles of the lower back, promoting a gentle stretch and aiding in the release of tension. The controlled twisting motion helps to improve flexibility and mobility in the lower back region, reducing stiffness and promoting relaxation. Incorporating the corkscrew movement into a regular routine can lead to enhanced muscle flexibility, reduced discomfort, and an overall sense of well-being and comfort in the lower back area. In just half a minute, these simple yet effective exercises can work wonders for your stubborn lower back stiffness, promoting a newfound sense of freedom and agility. By integrating these quick routines into your daily regimen, you can enjoy improved flexibility, reduced discomfort, and heightened well-being. Say goodbye to persistent lower back pain and embrace a life of unrestricted movement and vitality. Remember, taking care of your back is a small investment with immense long-term benefits. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, share your comment, subscribe to this channel and hit that bell button for notification, and also check the link below for the playlist on this topic. There are more information you wouldn't want to miss. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.